Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. My name is Arthur Julian. I'm from Perbanas Institute, and my student number is 1911000004 and 6. And now I would like present about network and application in online learning. Okay, this is my name, my student number, and my college. And this is my menu for this presentation. There are three parts of this presentation. First, I will go with introduction, and there are several parts in it. First, and purpose, scope, assumption, method, and limitation. And the second part is the body of this presentation with diagram 1, diagram 2, table 1, and table 2. And for the last part, I will give a conclusion and recommendation. Okay. Okay. First, the introduction and the purpose and scope. The purpose of this report is to provide information and recommends way to student about the network effect and application used during a pandemic. And the scope or the focus of this report are various internet network problems and what networks are used, and various problems that occur when using application, and there are still many students or the public who cannot use the network and application used in online learning. The second, assumption. My recommendation based on this assumption is to improve online learning. The government must provide motivation for students. Even in pandemic condition, they still have to study well. The government must also provide assistance so the study are happy, such as assistant quotas and public Wi-Fi coverage in remote areas, so that students with signal difficult can learn well. Next, the method for this report. I have a method to collect information from Perbanas Institute and student from other campus. My information for these reports come from survey and questionnaire to several student from Perbanas Institute, student from other campus, and student from other campus. I will distribute questionnaire via WhatsApp and my Instagram application to several students, and if I still feel that the data I have obtained is incomplete, I will directly observe it to the public. And the last of introduction is limitation. My research has a three limitation. First, problem is students who are lazy to fill out the questionnaire. Second, the problem of public or student disinterest in filling out the questionnaire. And third is that as a researcher cannot see the respondent reaction when filling out the questionnaire. Okay. Okay, then let's go to the next section. This section I will talk about the body of this report. There are four parts in this section. Is in diagram 1, diagram 2, table 1, and table 2. And next, this is figure 1 or diagram 1, figure 2 or diagram 2, figure 3 or table 1, and figure 4 or table 2. Okay, first I will go with diagram 1. Diagram 1. Okay, you can see the diagram with the question, do you think online learning is effective? And from 23 respondents, the answer is 56 and a half percent choose disagree. This proof that online learning is ineffective. And from um, is ineffective in terms of learning, and that there may also be interference with the signal because many students live in remote areas, and even 21 21 on 7% choose strongly disagree. Okay, this proof that online learning in Indonesia is not effective. Okay, and might not develop in terms of application and learning method carried out by the lectures. And the respondent several respondent choose agree. So just I think just a little respondent who agree with online learning is effective. Okay, let's go to the next section. The next section is this is diagram 2. Okay, diagram 2. The second part is diagram 2 with the question, what application are used when studying online? Okay, and I give two choice. It's Zoom and Google Meet, and you can see from all respondent, from 23 respondent, choose Zoom for application when study online. Okay, that's a good. And I'm use Zoom too for my study online. And the third part, okay, let's go. The third part is the table one. Okay, with the question, what problems often occur when using quotas or Wi-Fi when online learning? Okay, from this you can see the many kind of answer of from respondent, and the most common problem is the signal. Okay, the signal is often problematic, which result in Zoom or Google Meet not being used. Voice that is often problem too. And then if rain, you cannot use the Zoom because your signal or your application is problem, and anything else. Okay, and for the two table 2, what problem often occur when using Zoom or Google Meet? Okay. From the 23 respondent to, nah, from if we use Zoom or Google Meet in online learning, the most common problem is the signal too. Okay, the signal is very problem to us when we studying online. So yeah, the signal is very problem to us. And then um, the application is like little difficult to use because maybe the lecture can use Zoom, or maybe the student they can use the Zoom or Google Meet because there are no some way to use them. Okay, and there are for the body. And I will go to the next section, and the last section for the presentation is conclusion and recommendation from me. Okay, go to the next. This is conclusion and recommendation. Okay, to conclude. Okay, to conclude, the COVID-19 pandemic has caused many problems, one of which is the problem regarding education, where we have to do online learning, and we have some problem such as signal that often have problem if the signal rain if the signal if the rains come, the signal are also lost, and many are remote areas if there is lack of signal. Okay, problem that often occur are also related to the learning application. There are many problems such problematic application, no sounds appear, and many other problems. And from me, my recommendation for the short term, the government aims to provide direction to the student so that they can use network and application that are suitable for the online learning. And the long term, the government must provide assistance quotas to the student so that they do not have to spend more money for online learning, and the government must reach out and see place where there is less signal and need help. And that's all my that's from me, my conclusion and my recommendation, and that's all from me. Thank you for your time, and stay healthy and keep your family safe. Bye.